DBS Global Business University. Uh, for the motion is Cherry Bothra, and against the motion is Tamanna Singh.
Good afternoon, everyone, respected judges, presidents, sir, teachers, and my worthy opponents. I, Cherry Bothra, stand here to argue for the motion that strong states make strong nation. So let me start with a simple question. Can a tree stand strong if its roots are weak? No, because no matter how tall the tree is, one strong wind can uproot it completely. Similarly, a nation cannot stand strong if its states are weak. Our constitution makers envisioned India as a union of states, not as a unitary empire. Our Constitution of India gives both center and state well defined power mentioned in Schedule 7 of the Constitution, the Union, the states, and the concurrent list. So let me give you an example, the state of West Bengal versus Union of India 1963. In this case, it was observed that India is not a federation in its classical sense, but the states are not mere administrative agencies of the center, but they have a constitutional personality of their own. Also, centralized powers often leads to uh, confusion, and also it often leads to alienist for the people who live far away from the capital. If the states are strong, they would make policies for the state which are suitable for them. For example, they would keep while making the policy, they would keep in mind different things like the culture of the state, the diversity of the state, the economic, the geography, etc. Now let us take an example of states like Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. All these states are focusing more on industries, infrastructure, healthcare, education. So these things are not only making the states famous, or not only the GDP of those states are rising, but the GDP of those states are contributing in nations too. So when a state rises, it helps the nation to rise too. If a GDP of a state, if a GDP of a particular state rises, the GDP of a complete nation rise. Now the problem comes that some states are flourished and others maybe not. So let us take an example of Odisha, states like Odisha, Bihar, and Jharkhand. These states are not these states are not much more developed as we compare to Gujarat and Maharashtra, but we can help them, we can provide them innovation tools, we can provide them with money, and it would not only contribute to the development of those states but to the development of the nation. So thank you.